Everyone is wondering what Tesla's future holds, what stories the figures will reveal, and how the company will handle the changing landscape of electric mobility as the financial world waits in anticipation. Hold on to your seats because it's not just Tesla's groundbreaking technology that's driving the company's stock upwards. 2024 is expected to be an incredible year for Tesla, and we have the inside scoop on updates that might send it skyrocketing. Prior to delving into these fascinating insights, we're also examining the intense competition going forward, especially with the industry titan bide. Prepare for an inside look at the tactics, innovations, and game-changing updates that could send Tesla's stock into the stratosphere in 2024. The greatest method to keep ahead of the curve in this exciting market is to hit the like button and subscribe to Tesla Stock News. Let's begin our journey in 2022. Although Tesla remained the market leader for all battery electric vehicles worldwide, a rival from China surfaced. The Chinese behemoth bide started to overtake Tesla in overall vehicle sales for the year, with a wide range of EVs priced between $10,700 and $150,600 in strong sport numbers. But Tesla, with its rich legacy and Model Y driving most of its sales, introduced a more affordable version and lowered prices on both the Model 3 and Y to maintain the momentum. Bide is rapidly catching up. The fact that Bide is both a rival and a supplier of batteries to Tesla is an intriguing aspect of this rivalry. In 2023, Bide's shares traded more carefully while Tesla's stock displayed incredible resiliency. Although Tesla's Q3 deliveries saw a slight decline, the company's September sales boom indicates that it is poised to solidify its global lead in the BEV market. Bide, on the other hand, is not far behind, particularly given its dominant position in China as the leading automaker. As the electric vehicle race heats up, both giants are pushing the envelope, but as you are aware, Tesla is more than just an electric vehicle company. It is a tech juggernaut with a vision to redefine the future. This revolutionary brand has been leading the way in autonomous technology and sustainable energy, leaving its mark well beyond the auto industry. When one thinks of Tesla, they immediately think of their sleek cars, but there is much more going on behind the scenes. Cover a wide range of topics, including solar energy solutions, cutting-edge battery technology, and even aspirations to colonize Mars. Just when you think you've seen it all, Tesla is about to reveal its next innovative project. This comprehensive strategy highlights Elon Musk's goal to build a sustainable future for humanity starting in 2023 with a strategic flourish. Tesla cut costs all throughout the world, making their popular Model 3 and Y even more alluring, particularly in the US, where they now have a luring $7,500 tax credit sticker. However, the impact of this ripple extended much beyond America's borders. Chinese electric car leaders, with Bide at the front, did not remain passive. Instead, they mobilized with price changes that reflected their changing production and served as a strategic rebuttal to Tesla's move. The automotive industry experienced a seismic shift on September 1st as Tesla made daring moves in its pricing strategy. The company announced dramatic price cuts for their luxury Model S and Model X vehicles in two of their biggest markets, China and the US. While Tesla occasionally pushed prices northward, these increases were only blips overshadowed by recurring price trims, lucrative inventory offers, and other persuasive carrots dangled throughout the third quarter. With these new price tags, the base Model X not only became a more alluring option for prospective buyers, but also earned its spot on the list of cars eligible for the coveted $7,500 federal tax credit. However, Tesla didn't stop there. This strategic move wasn't just about competitive pricing, it was a statement. Understanding the increasing demand and the critical role that automation will play in driving in the future, they also reduced the cost of their advanced full self-driving package by a significant $3,000, bringing the total down from $15,000 to a more reasonable $112. Tesla made it clear that it was committed to making autonomous driving more widely available, but the surprises weren't finished. On October 5th, the company once again stirred things up by lowering the price of its flagship vehicles Model Y and Model 3 in the US market. This strategic move was complemented by the introduction of a new, more affordable, shorter-range Model Y variant, which was $3,750 less expensive than the model it replaced. However, it's not just about price. The innovation engine of Tesla is roaring. An upgraded Model 3 called the Highland was unveiled in China on September 1st. This newcomer, however slightly more expensive, claims an alluring 9% range extension. In Q4, these vehicles will be speeding across Chinese highways, and soon, the hum of these electric beasts and American enthusiasts will be heard on European roads as well. As October dawned, Tesla debuted a redesigned Model Y in China with both its base and long-range side bending, with better ranges moving on Tesla's expansive network, and its Fremont facility is getting ready to roll out this beauty for the US efficient AOS. The Gigafactory is a common name for this Austin complex. As engineers and technicians painstakingly create the next marvel of electric vehicle design, Texas is a hive of activity. The Cybertruck, although the Austin factory is currently shrouded in mystery, the precise location of the Cybertruck's assembly, whether it is on the main production line or a specialized section, remains a closely guarded secret. And the timeline for moving the vehicle from limited production batches to full-scale mass manufacturing has not yet been formally announced. This avant-garde electric pickup, with its cyberpunk-inspired aesthetics, promises to be a game-changer in the world of EVs. Elon Musk's concerns regarding early production issues have been raised by Tesla's charismatic CEO, who is renowned for his openness and direct communication with both supporters and detractors. In particular, he pointed to panel differences in early iterations of the Cybertruck as evidence of the company's exacting attention to detail and high standards of quality. The Cybertruck's debut on the automotive scene is especially noteworthy for Tesla since it marks the company's first significant passenger vehicle launch since the model's early 2020 debut. However, for global Tesla fans, the Cybertruck's main focus seems to be the North American market, at least initially. This G-focused approach implies that international fans may need to exercise patience until 2025 or later in order to see this steel behemoth grace their roads. Rumors of a Tesla of the future. EV is everywhere, but the world hasn't even been given a visual teaser. There are rumors of a brand new EV plant in northeastern Mexico that will give birth to this electric marvel, but since the ground hasn't been cleared for construction, the first indications of production wouldn't be until mid-2025. Local buzz suggests that a more realistic operating timeline might be 2026 or 2027. This could be the next plot twist. The Tesla model of the future, the allure of a budget-friendly Tesla made in Mexico, lies not only in its price. It could strategically leverage the limited competition in the US and beautifully capitalize on the $7,500 IRA tax credit last year. This newer, more affordable Tesla would have to compete for space in such a scenario, first appearing on Chinese roads alongside a plethora of rival EVs, including formidable contenders from Bide's arsenal. The EV maestro has not yet announced any significant deliveries, despite Tesla having ceremoniously turned over a small number of semi-trucks to the average behemoth PepsiCo. The conventional approach of big rig manufacturers entails extensive testing for new models. It appears that PepsiCo and Tesla may be dancing to this song, but with a little more flair and brightness. With its factories in Austin and Berlin expanding, Tesla's manufacturing has increased. This follows a significant expansion at its Shanghai site last year, but the market hasn't responded to this. Increased production in spite of Tesla's aggressive pricing and production changes. Although the company plans to produce 1.8 million cars in 2023, its infrastructure may be able to produce up to 2 million. Interestingly, Tesla Shanghai's role in exporting Model Y vehicles to Europe has decreased, signaling a shift towards sending China-made Model Y and 3 vehicles to countries like Canada, albeit at the expense of US plans. The recent decline in Q3 production is attributed to plant upgrades, but inventory management has also played a role. Tesla's footprints are currently visible in Thailand, where its market appeal and middle-income countries will be examined. Its plans to introduce a low-cost model could be a competitive advantage in these regions. Not to be overlooked are Tesla's revolutionary 4680 batteries, which were unveiled to the world on their 2020 battery day and have generated a great deal of discussion and analysis in the tech community. Touted by Tesla as a monumental advancement in battery technology, these cells promise higher energy density, longer lifespans, and lower costs, but there are still many unanswered questions regarding their mass production capacity and the validity of the cited benefits. Both competitors and industry analysts closely watch any developments and possible hazards in Tesla's bold plan to upgrade these batteries. With its vast and effective network of superchargers, Tesla has positioned itself at the forefront of the EV infrastructure revolution in addition to creating groundbreaking vehicles. This network has proven advantageous, particularly in areas where third-party charging is available. There are few solutions available, and they focus on strengthening the Tesla ecosystem in addition to providing ease, which further entices potential customers in an exciting twist of strategic cooperation. Tesla has extended its supercharger network to well-known automakers like Ford, GM, and the EV startup Rivian. These alliances have two effects. First, they increase Tesla's revenue streams by leveraging their existing infrastructure. Second, and more covertly, they weaken its US is exclusive charging. The advantage begins to erode financially. In the face of global problems, Tesla has demonstrated its financial performance, durability, and ability to adapt. The pandemic, Tesla defied the odds by registering an astounding 47% year-over-year revenue growth in Q2 2023, with revenues touching the $24.9 billion mark. However, this silver cloud came with a catch: the drive to scale combined with external pressures. It resulted in thinner profit margins, highlighting the delicate balance Tesla must strike between growth, innovation, and profitability after reaching an unprecedented 2023 level of revenue. High right before the release of the Q2 earnings after a wild journey, Tesla's shares finally recovered thanks to Morgan Stanley's bullish price forecast, revising the target the idea of a $255,000 that Elon Musk. In contrast to rivals like Baidu, which now offers reasonably priced EVs on the market, Tesla intends to start delivering Cybertrucks by the end of 2023, but substantial distribution may not happen until 20124 or later in the highly awaited next generation. Tesla might make headlines in 2025. Although Tesla's stock performance in 2022 may have been poor, there has been a noteworthy recovery in 2023. Exaggerated by bullish, that concludes this video's discussion on market signals. Tesla's ambitious battery initiatives, international operations, and ventures into new markets like Thailand demonstrate a corporation in strong financial expansion, even though revenues are rising and margins appear to be narrowing. As we see what lies ahead, we must wonder whether Tesla's aggressive expansion methods will pay off in the long run, and whether it can maintain its throne in the face of increased competition. The stock market depicts a story of revival in 2023, with Tesla's stock returning impressively. If you thought this analysis was insightful, please remember to hit the like button and sign up for Tesla stock news to receive future updates and analysis.